The Dacia Spring, long celebrated as one of Europe's most affordable EVs, has been given a surprisingly meaningful update that flips its tortoise reputation on its head. Where previous Spring models produced 44 and 64 metric horsepower, about 44 horsepower and 64 horsepower, the refreshed lineup now includes 69 horsepower and 99 horsepower variants that make the little hatchback genuinely more usable on highways and quicker off the light. That's a substantial bump. Dacia has effectively doubled the on-road punch of its top trim, trimming certain in-gear acceleration times dramatically and bringing the Sprint's performance closer to everyday expectations. To be precise, the updated Spring 70, 69 horsepower, and Spring 100, 99 horsepower show pronounced gains in real-world acceleration. Dacia supplied 50 to 75 miles per hour in-gear times to highlight the difference. The Spring 70 covers that band in roughly 10.3 seconds, and the Spring 100 in about 6.9 seconds, compared with the far more leisurely figures of the older 45 and 65 versions, 26.2s and 14.0s respectively. The 99 horsepower Spring can also reach 62 miles per hour in about 9.6 seconds, not a sports car number, but a practical, confidence-inspiring pace for a city-focused EV. Those figures mean the Spring will feel noticeably sprightlier during overtakes and motorway merges, addressing the biggest gripe early buyers had about the model. Under the skin, there are sensible upgrades beyond motor output. Dacia fitted a new lithium-ion phosphate (LFP) battery that helps reliability and longevity and added an anti-roll bar, a small mechanical change that can improve handling feel substantially in a light car. Charging has been nudged forward too. The onboard charger jumps from 30 kilowatts to 40 kilowatts, and while those peaks are tiny compared with today's fastest EVs, they're meaningful for a vehicle with a compact 24.3 kilowatt-hour battery. Dacia reports the standard WLTP-ish range remains near 140 miles, 225 kilometers, so the car's profile as a short-range urban commuter hasn't changed. What has changed is the confidence you'll have when you need to step on the gas. Price is the crucial variable for the Spring, and Dacia hasn't announced final figures for the upgraded models yet. Historically, the Spring sat around the very low end of the market. Examples sold from roughly £14,995 in the UK previously, and Dacia's challenge will be to keep the price approachable while adding these performance and hardware improvements. If the brand succeeds, the Spring's refresh will be an elegant demonstration of how incremental, well-targeted upgrades can significantly boost real-world usability without blowing past the car's budget DNA. All told, the Spring's refresh is pragmatic and clever. It keeps the car's low-cost essence while fixing its most obvious weakness, lackluster acceleration, and adding a few mechanical and electrical upgrades that matter in day-to-day driving. For shoppers chasing the cheapest possible entry into EV ownership who still want adequate acceleration and a livable driving experience, the new Spring will be an appealing option.